One truthful trader back again. Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you're still in your beds, get yourself up, wipe the sleep from out of your eyes and get up. It is 9:30 a.m. in the morning, UK time. It's Wednesday the 26th of August. I'm back. Sorry I left you. We are here looking for opportunities, excuses to get in on the market and make some monies. We shall see, we shall look, and we shall find. My three favourites, as you know, if you know One Truthful Trader and the team, are Forex, indices, and commodities. Commodities being WTI, West Texas Intermediate, and Brent crude oil. And major Forex pairs and major indices pairs as well. Oh, indices, not pairs. Major indices, excuse me. So I'm just out here looking for opportunities. I'll call it in the room as well. Call it in the team as well. We will find and we will act confidently upon it, following the same routine every day, not doing anything different. So I shall look through, I shall see what's trending, what's moving, and then I shall be back with you and let you know what we're in. So yeah, see you in a bit. One Truthful Trader back again. Guys, I promise you I'll get into some trades. I was looking for my criteria. I was looking for my boxes to be ticked. I was looking to see my stars aligned. Had to call it out in the room as well, because I never call out trades in a room that I personally don't take. So I call them out once I've taken the trades. Yeah, so seen 2 trades I've taken, only 2 this morning. We'll quickly go through them. WTI, it's not one trade I've taken. Because WTI is absolutely doing nothing for me. It's consolidating, and yeah, if you're a range trader, you can get some pips out of ranges, but it's a very small range. It hasn't been in it for long, and it isn't really going anywhere, to be fair. So yeah, kind of same as Brent, kind of follow suit to a certain extent. So nothing for oil, which is one of my favourites, as you know, but nothing going on. So anyway, I'm indices as well. UK 100, which is because I'm in the UK, I like to use the UK 100 first, and then I check France, Europe indices and stuff like that. But yeah, it's not really doing nothing for me at the minute. Might be a setup coming in, but indices are kind of all relatively the same. Not really. It looks like they're going somewhere, but not really going anywhere, if that makes sense. So I've held back off that. But I am in the euro, Japanese yen. I am in now. Setup has happened. I've called it in the room. I'm in the trade. As you can see, just not long got in it. Stops are in place. As you know, I'm really strict with, well, we're really strict with risk to reward ratios. Guys in the room as well. 20 pip stop. We've got a 44 take profit. Lovely risk to reward ratio. Sometimes my risk to reward won't always be 2 to 1. There would be 1 to 1 minimum. Or sometimes they'll be bigger, 4 to 5 to 1. It all depends. And all depends on the time frames as well. So yeah, we're in this trade. Hopefully we can get by, just right by my psychological level. As you know, I love psychological levels. So hopefully we'll see how this plans out today. And we'll see how this goes. the other one I'm in as well, Euro Australian dollar. So yes, I am in this one. As you can see, excuse me, called it out in the room. So there's guys that are watching this trade like a hawk. Fits the criteria, fits our stars, fits what we're looking for, fits our boxes basically. And to be honest with you, it is doing the exact same thing every single trade, every single day, every single time that you're obviously trading. Obviously the markets are not open at the weekends, so certain markets. So yeah, it's basically just following your plan to a T. When you see it, you attack it confidently, and then you let the market do its work. You let the market come to you, and then you get involved. So this is where we're at. I am off out today, so I will let these trades run. I will probably have to close these manually because I won't be back at the laptop. But what I can do is report back to you. I really like to close the trades while you're watching, but that a lot of the time doesn't happen because I don't just sit by the computer all day. So we'll have to see how this goes. But yes, I will keep you updated. I'll keep you informed. Hopefully we'll get down to our psychological level. And if I see this has got enough petrol behind it, I'll move my take profit down to this psychological level and move my stop just above, and I'll candle follow it. If you know, if you've been watching my other videos, then you'll know what I mean by that. So yes, we're going to keep positive, we'll keep strong, and no matter what happens, you can't let this market scare you. So yeah, I will report back and I shall be back with you once we know what's going on. Yeah, so keep safe, guys, and we shall meet again a bit later on. So yeah, one truthful trader back again. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. It is 16:13, 4:15. Let's say it that way, that's more better. I am recording back from earlier. The date is the 26th, Wednesday the 26th of August. I'm just reporting back on my 2 trades that I took earlier. I'm now back at my computer, and I can take a look at these to see where we are at. I have been keeping an eye on them while I've been on the move. I haven't taken any profits. I haven't moved my stop or take profit. I haven't done any of that. I have just stayed calm. I have waited patiently, and I have just been confident because, as the saying goes, you can't let this market scare you. You've got to be strong. So where are we? Euro, Japanese yen is one of them that we took. Sorry, let's go Euro Australian dollar, first of all, is one of them, the first one that we took this morning. And we are out of this trade. It has hit the take profit. If you remember where the take profit was, if you look, when I got in, it dropped down, took its time, took its toll, and then came down and hit the take profit. Wonderful trade. Well done to the guys that caught it in the room as well. The markets have been moving quite nicely across the board in Forex. Indices and commodities haven't really been doing that much today, or haven't been giving us the signals, but Forex, it's been a nice day. And the other trade I'm in, as I'm still in it, this one hasn't really done much, to be honest with you. we are still in this trade from earlier. As you can see, we got in around here. Yes, it did give a nice bit of tasty profit down here, but it did not reach anywhere near our take profit. As I say, I was on the road and I couldn't, excuse me, I was on the road and I couldn't take partial profits off when I was on the road and stuff like that. So yeah, it did give some potential profit, but it wasn't nowhere near to take profit. So we are still in this trade. I will close this trade for a small profit. The reason why I close this trade is because it's getting by the end of the day, and we've already made a nice tasty bit of profit in the Euro Australian dollar. So yeah, I'll close this out. I'll put my stop here because I know it will come down to the stop in a moment. It will take me out. It'll give me a small bit of profit, and what we'll do is, yeah, if it rolls back over, we're happy. But if it takes me out, it takes me out. Quite happy for the day. Lovely bit of profit on my last trade. We shall keep this open until it hits the stop or the take profit. But as you know, the stop is so close and so tight, it's going to bounce and touch that. But a small little bit of profit from here I'm happy with that. But apart from this, this really hasn't really done that much today. It looked like it was ready and raring to go, and then it's just come straight back into the rivers. Started rolling over again, but yeah, nothing spectacular. So yes, we are here for the day. I shall see you again tomorrow. We are going to be doing the exact same thing, taking the exact same trades, looking at the same markets, and confidently putting on our trades as we do. Nothing changes. In fact, it shouldn't become enjoyable. It should become boring because it's like routine. There you go. It's took me out. It's become routine. So yeah, it is what it is. So we shall see tomorrow. Keep positive, and we shall meet again tomorrow. Yep.